Have you ever made a New Year's resolution, felt excited at first, and then slowly stopped trying? You are not alone. Many people experience this every year, and they often think something is wrong with them. But the truth is, it is not about being weak or lazy. There is something important about New Year's resolutions that nobody really talks about. And today, we will explore it gently, without pressure, and without judgment. Every new year feels special. A new year feels like a fresh page, like a clean morning, like a soft reset button for life. People tell themselves that this year will be different. This year they will wake up early. This year they will exercise, save money, study English, eat healthy food, or finally chase a dream they have been thinking about for a long time. These promises feel good, they feel hopeful, they feel powerful. In that moment, it feels like change is easy. But a few days pass. Then a few weeks pass. Life becomes busy again. Work feels heavy. Energy feels low. Motivation is no longer strong. And slowly, very quietly, the resolution fades away. Not because people do not care, but because something important was missing from the beginning. The truth nobody tells you is that motivation is not stable. Motivation comes and goes like the weather. Some days it is strong and bright, and some days it is quiet and tired. Many resolutions fail because people believe motivation will always be there. They think that feeling excited is enough to create change. But excitement is temporary. Real life is not exciting every day. Another truth is that many resolutions are too big. People say things like, "This year I will change my whole life. I will wake up early every day, go to the gym, stop bad habits, learn new skills, and become a better person all at once." At first this sounds inspiring, but the mind feels overwhelmed. The body feels tired before even starting. Big promises create big pressure, and pressure often leads to quitting. Most people are not taught how change really works. They are taught to promise, but not to practice. A promise lives in the future. A practice lives in today. When people only focus on the result, they forget about the small daily actions that actually create change. This is why many resolutions fail silently. There is another quiet truth that people do not like to hear. Willpower is limited. You cannot depend on willpower every day. Some days you wake up tired. Some days you feel sad. Some days life surprises you with problems you did not expect. If your resolution only works when you feel strong, it will not last long. This is where habits come in. Habits are simple actions repeated again and again. Habits do not need strong motivation. Habits grow slowly, quietly, and gently. When something becomes a habit, you do not need to think too much. You just do it, like brushing your teeth or drinking water. The truth is that habits are more powerful than resolutions. A resolution says, "I will exercise this year." A habit says, "I will walk for 10 minutes today." A resolution says, "I will learn English fluently." A habit says, "I will listen to English for 5 minutes every morning." One feels heavy, the other feels light. Many people quit not because they fail, but because they miss one day. They miss one workout, one study session, one healthy meal, and they think everything is ruined. But missing one day is normal. It is human. Progress is not broken by one mistake. Progress is broken when people stop believing they can continue. Another truth nobody tells you is that real change is boring sometimes. It is quiet. It does not feel exciting every day. There are no fireworks. There is no applause. Most growth happens on normal days when nobody is watching. People who succeed are not always more talented. They're often just more consistent. Consistency does not mean perfection. Consistency means coming back again and again, even after stopping. It means choosing to try one more time without hating yourself for failing before. This gentle mindset is something many people forget when they make New Year's resolutions. Many people also choose too many goals at once. When you try to change everything, nothing changes. The mind becomes tired. Focus disappears. A better way is to choose one small area of life and give it attention. One goal, one habit, one direction. When goals are simple, they feel possible. When goals feel possible, people feel calm. And when people feel calm, they continue. The new year should not be about becoming a completely new person overnight. It should be about becoming a little better, a little kinder, and a little more patient with yourself. Growth is not loud. Growth is gentle. Maybe the real truth about New Year's resolutions is that they are not meant to be promises you shout at the beginning of the year. They are meant to be quiet practices you return to day by day, even when motivation is gone. As you listen today, you do not need to decide everything. You do not need to change your life right now. Just ask yourself one gentle question. What is one small habit I can practice today, not promise tomorrow? As the days pass after the new year begins, life slowly returns to normal. Work becomes busy again. Responsibilities feel heavy. The excitement of the new year becomes quiet. This is when many people start to feel confused. They ask themselves why it was so easy to promise change, but so hard to continue. They think maybe they do not have enough discipline, or maybe they are not strong enough. But this is not the real reason. The truth is that motivation is not something we can depend on every day. Motivation feels strong when something is new, but it naturally becomes weaker over time. This does not mean you are failing. It means you are human. Many people believe successful people are always motivated, but this is not true. Even people who reach their goals have days when they do not feel like trying. The difference is not how they feel, but what they do on those days. Another truth nobody talks about is that many resolutions are too big and too heavy. People often say they will change everything at once. They want to wake up early, exercise every day, eat healthy food, stop bad habits, save money, and improve their life all at the same time. At first, this feels inspiring, but soon it becomes tiring. The mind feels crowded, the body feels pressured. When everything feels hard, stopping feels easier. Change works better when it is small and gentle. Small actions feel possible. They do not scare the mind. They do not require strong motivation. A small action done many times becomes a habit, and habits are quiet but powerful. They slowly shape your life without you even noticing. Many people think habits are boring, but boring is not bad. Boring means stable. Boring means simple. Boring means easy to repeat. When something is easy to repeat, it stays. This is why habits work better than big promises. Another reason resolutions fail is because people expect perfection. They believe they must follow their plan every day without mistakes. When they miss one day, they feel disappointed, they feel guilty, they think they failed. But missing one day is not failure. It is part of the process. Real progress is not a straight line, it goes up and down. What matters is returning, not never stopping. Being kind to yourself is an important part of being goal-oriented. When you speak to yourself with patience, you feel safe to continue. When you speak to yourself with anger, you want to quit. Many people stop not because they cannot continue, but because they are tired of being hard on themselves. Another quiet truth is that real change does not always feel good. Sometimes it feels uncomfortable. Sometimes it feels slow. Sometimes it feels like nothing is happening. But growth is happening under the surface, like a seed growing in the soil. You do not see it every day, but that does not mean it is not growing. People who succeed are not special. They are not perfect. They simply continue when things feel normal, boring, or uncomfortable. They build habits that support them even when motivation is gone. This is something anyone can learn. As you listen, remember that this new year does not need big pressure. You do not need to become a new person overnight. You only need to take one small step today and then another tomorrow. Little by little, practice becomes progress. As the year continues, it is important to remember that goals are not meant to control you. They are meant to guide you. A goal is like a direction, not a rule. When you understand this, you feel less pressure and more peace. You stop chasing perfection and you start practicing progress. Being goal-oriented does not mean pushing yourself all the time. It means choosing actions that support the life you want, even on quiet days. It means asking yourself gentle questions, like what is one small thing I can do today that supports my future self? When the answer is small, it is easier to begin. Many people wait for the perfect time to start again. They wait for Monday, for next month, or for another new year. But the truth is, there is no perfect time. There is only now. Starting small today is more powerful than planning something big for tomorrow. Another truth nobody tells you is that changing your identity is more powerful than chasing results. Instead of saying you want to exercise, you can say you are someone who moves your body. Instead of saying you want to learn English, you can say you are someone who practices English a little every day. When you see yourself this way, your actions slowly follow. Your environment also matters. Change is easier when your space supports your habits. If you want to practice English, listening to a short podcast daily can help. If you want to be healthier, placing healthy food where you can see it can help. Small changes around you can make big changes inside you. There will be days when you stop. There will be days when you feel tired or distracted. This does not mean you failed. It only means you are living a real life. What matters is how gently you return. Returning without anger is a skill, and it is a skill you can practice. The new year is not a test you must pass. It is a journey you walk at your own pace. Some days you will walk fast, some days you will walk slowly. Both are okay. Progress is still progress. If your New Year's resolution feels heavy, maybe it is asking too much too soon. If it feels gentle, it has a better chance to stay. Practice lasts longer than promises. Quiet effort lasts longer than loud motivation. As this episode comes to an end, take a moment to breathe. You do not need to change everything today. You only need to choose one small habit you can practice even when you do not feel excited. That is how real change begins. Thank you for spending this time with me. Be patient with yourself. Keep practicing gently, and I will see you in the next episode.